If you want an inspiration on a daily basis on, let's say, for example, something that you want to write in your blog, then what you can use is you can actually use something called a writing prompt as well. So I'm going to go around over here onto, let's say, the block area, click on the plus button, and now I'm going to go ahead and type in writing. And you can see that I can go ahead and then add in a writing prompt right here. So it says you get to build your perfect space for reading and writing, and what's it's like right here. So you can see that this is something for you to think about. So on a daily basis, when you refresh, this actually goes ahead and changes out right here. And then this is for the viewers to see as well. So if I were to go around over here and let's say, for example, preview this space on a new tab right here, just like this, then what happens is that this is what you have. It says you get to build your perfect space for reading and writing, and what's this like, and you can view the responses for that particular daily prompt that you have from wordpress.com as well. And that is how you can go ahead and utilize the writing prompts block inside of wordpress.com. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe